Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie in Toca Boca. First, navigate to your Toca Boca kitchen. You will need to find a few key items to begin your culinary adventure. Look for a pumpkin, some sugar, and a pie crust. These are essential for crafting the perfect virtual dessert. Once you have these ingredients, you are ready for the next step. Now that you have your pumpkin, it's time to prepare it. Drag the pumpkin onto the cutting board in your Toca Boca kitchen. Select a knife and carefully slice the pumpkin open. After it's open, grab a spoon and scoop out all of the pumpkin's insides. This step ensures your pie filling will be smooth and delicious. With your pumpkin prepared, it's time to mix the filling. Take the scooped-out pumpkin and combine it with the sugar in a mixing bowl. Stir them together until well blended. Next, carefully pour this delicious mixture into your pie crust. Finally, place the pie into the oven and let it bake until golden brown. Your Toca Boca pumpkin pie is almost ready. Congratulations! Your Toca Boca pumpkin pie is now baked to perfection. Carefully remove the pie from the oven. You can now serve your warm, delicious creation to your Toca Boca characters. They will surely love this homemade treat. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your real-world space. Enjoy your virtual baking success.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.